Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can find exported videos on the CapCut PC. So if you are struggling to find the projects that you export on the CapCut PC, here I'm going to show you how you can easily find it. So here I'm going to just click on the export button at the top. Okay, here I'm going to change the title first. And after that, what you need to do is you can just remember the export to or the export path. So just click on this folder icon, or you can also change the folder to save to make it easier to find. I'm going to just leave it as it is. So my project will be exported to the videos folder. Click on select folder, and after that just click on export and wait for the exporting process to finish. So after it finishes exporting, what you need to do to easily find the exported video is click on this open folder button, and CapCut will automatically lead you to the specific folder that the videos is saved. Like this. This is the project that I just saved. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like. Thanks, and also comment. Bye.